If you are like me, you have been pondering what manufacturing will look like once the dust settles from COVID-19. What if we have another outbreak? Will boards and CEOs be looking to fund projects associated with production continuity and take further actions to reduce viral transmission vectors within their facilities? What will happen to those paper-based systems that require signatures and shared logbooks? Obviously, passing around sheets of paper is a known way to transmit a virus, and paper does not lend itself to a remote worker situation. We have already seen sneeze guards put around cubicles and in between workstations, and health screening procedures put into place as you enter facilities, but these are not the end of the changes to come. Please check out my blog on what changes we see coming in manufacturing. If you haven't already connected with us on LinkedIn, please do so. We would love to connect with you. And when you are there, check out our other blogs. Until next time, stay safe, everyone.